Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your applications with VMware Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. First, assess your current application environment. Identify the applications that require protection. Evaluate their criticality to your business operations. Next, familiarize yourself with VMware Cloud offerings. Understand the features available for application security. Consider VMware's NSX for network security capabilities. Explore VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery for data resilience. Set up your VMware Cloud account. Log into the VMware Cloud portal. Navigate to the relevant services section. Select NSX and configure your virtual network. Implement microsegmentation for enhanced security. Define security policies tailored to your applications. Next, integrate VMware Cloud with your existing tools. Use APIs for seamless connectivity between platforms. Ensure real-time monitoring of application performance. Configure alerts for any suspicious activities. Set up backup solutions using VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery. Test your backup and restoration processes regularly. Maintain compliance by auditing your security policies. Educate your team on best practices for application security. Conduct routine security assessments and updates. Always be aware of the latest threats in the ecosystem. Keep your VMware Cloud environment updated. Utilize support resources provided by VMware. Document your security processes for future reference. Regularly review and adjust your security posture. Engage with the community for shared insights and improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.